Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I will be discussing some of the very important points. I will mainly be providing you the information about the must to prepare topics of nuclear and elementary particle physics. Because now you are gonna have your CSIR net exam, even the GATE exam, okay, soon in upcoming days. So everybody is like worried about this thing, that what they should prepare, what are the important topics they should cover up first of all. So just to provide you a clear idea about it, that what are the topics you can target for them, you can cover up these topics first of all before covering or focusing on the other ones. I hope that in this video you will be getting all these ideas, and even the video will be helping you, because this is something which everybody needs to know, and they can make a proper plan according to this thing for their preparation for the upcoming exam. So let's just start the discussion, guys. And even before talking about those important topics, let me just share one more important information and update with all of you. So if you want to join the regular live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation, in that case guys, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen, or Anjali A Live, as both are correct, but at a time you can just use one referral code. So any of these referral codes you can use and apply. And guys, one more thing here I would like to tell you, the subscription is available for different duration on Unacademy Plus. So you can take the subscription for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or 24 months, and depending on for how much time you will be taking the subscription, you will be able to see the amount corresponding to that. And by using and applying the referral code, which is Anjali A Live or Anjali Arora, like any of these referral codes you can use and apply, you will be getting the 10% discount at the same time when you will proceed further to take the subscription. One more important information I would like to share here, and what is that, that simply the Plus and the Iconic, two different subscriptions are available on Unacademy Learning app. Depending on which one you find more beneficial for yourself, you can proceed to take that subscription. And even right now, many new courses are starting on Unacademy Plus. Okay, and if you will be taking the Iconic subscription, then also you will be able to join all these Plus course classes as well. Okay, because these 4 benefits which you can see, they have been mentioned here, these 4 points, they are common in both the subscriptions, but in Iconic you also get more benefits, more features are there in Iconic. Okay, so this is how guys both are different from each other, and whenever you will be proceeding to take the subscription, whether Plus or Iconic, you can use and apply the referral code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, or Anjali Arora, and both are correct. So anytime you can use any of these referral codes. Okay guys, and even if somebody will be taking the subscription right now, they will be able to attend and join many new courses classes by the top educators. The new batches and the courses keep on starting on Unacademy Plus almost every week and time to time. So you will be able to prepare under the guidance of top educators, and you will be able to cover up many important things. You will get to know about tricks, topics, concepts, right approach to solve the questions, and all these things will surely be helping you a lot in your preparation. Now let's just start the discussion about the most important topics of nuclear physics. Clear? And I know you all were waiting for this discussion since a long time. So now let's have a look at this. And guys, these are the topics mainly which will be important for your upcoming exams, whether I'm going to talk about the 2020 CSIR net exam or for the GATE exam. Okay, and what you can do if you are just doing the preparation of this subject right now, you have recently started your preparation and you want to cover up some selected topics, it will surely be helping you then. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Let's consider the first point right now. So basically guys, if I'm going to talk about the first point, as you know, we are having nuclear physics and the particle physics both. Okay, both. So I will be talking about both, as well as I will be like considering the topics from both the sections here. So it's not only about nuclear physics but also about the particle physics as well. Done. Nuclear and elementary particle physics is the name of the subject. Done. Okay guys, let's talk about it now. First of all, let's talk about the nuclear physics part, okay, and then we'll be including the particle physics topics as well. So from the nuclear physics, as you will start the preparation, some of the basics of nucleus, for example, like the radius, how the radius is dependent on r is proportional to a, how it is dependent on the mass number, okay. So that's very important for you to know. And even as you know, there is gonna be a constant r is equal to r naught a to the power, okay, that's something we are having the expression. So you need to prepare it, which means the basic idea can even help you to work on the questions from the nuclear physics part. And mainly this radius expression, very important, okay. Another thing, this is the question mark I have made. Another thing, if I'm going to talk about the next thing here, so that is you have to prepare the liquid drop model. Liquid drop model, okay. Now what is this model and what are the things mainly you need to prepare from here? You don't need to go for so much theory part that a nucleus has been considered as a liquid drop and then it has this and that and this and that, like all the things you will have in the topic, but you don't need to consider everything from there. That means you have to go for some selected things because you are having less time, okay. So our target is to do the best preparation in less time, and that's how you can't just focus on one topic completely, that 2 days you will devote for that topic. No, you have to devote the time which is actually required and which will be helping you to even work on the other rest of the questions and rest of the topics too, okay. So liquid drop model, let's come to this point, that what actually you need to prepare. So basically guys, from the liquid drop model you need to work on, or you need to focus on the binding energy or the semi-empirical mass formula, okay. Then you need to know about the most stable isobar. You need to know about the most stable isobar, okay. That's what you need to know. So that's the another thing, that you have to cover up the most stable isobar part. Clear? Now what is this, how we can get it? There are tricks based on it. I have already uploaded the videos regarding that on this channel, that is Mr. Net Physics Exam. If you have not watched those videos, you can even check them out. But if you have already watched them and you want to just know about the details of this, that how to find the most stable isobar based questions answer. So simply what we do, we differentiate the binding energy with respect to the Z, okay. Now in that case, if you will equate it with 0, where Z is the number of protons, okay. Now you have to get the value of Z from here. You have to get the value of Z from here, and that Z value is mostly gonna be something they ask, okay, in the question. But sometimes they also write the question statement this way, that you have to find the most stable isobar Z value. So they can ask you to find the Z upon A. A is the mass number there. So you have to be careful what they are actually asking you to find. Then that is the type of question you can expect from the liquid drop model. Another thing, in the binding energy formula we are having different terms. Semi-empirical mass formula basically as per the liquid drop model. So surface energy, volume energy, Coulomb energy, asymmetry energy, pairing energy. You need to know about all those energies separately too. Means you have to get familiar with the dependencies on A for different energies. That's what you need to prepare, okay. Let's come to the next point. Now guys, if I'm going to talk about the next point, you have to prepare the shell model. Now what you have to prepare from the shell model, I will even come to that point and I will let you know what exactly you need to prepare, okay. So basically from the shell model you have to prepare this thing, that how to find the angular momentum parity or the spin and parity. They can ask you the question anyway, okay. They can ask you like, okay, find the spin and parity, or they can ask you find the angular momentum and parity. Then they can ask you the question based on the magnetic moment. Done, okay. So that's the another type of question from this section. And when you will be preparing this part, that you have to prepare the questions or the process to find the angular momentum and parity or the spin and parity, at the same time prepare it for the first excited state and even for the ground state, for both, okay, that how to find it. So that should be clear to you. It's like very much important and expected. Then the next point which we will have is the collective model. Now the collective model part, like you can have the formulae or the like in this case you will have vibrational and rotational both the cases, but let me just tell you, mostly we get the questions from the rotational part. Okay, so that should be clear to you. That's something you can't skip and you have to get familiar with it. It's very important part. Okay, like you can't skip it. Then the next point I would like to tell you, it's like related to radioactivity part. So from radioactivity, sometimes they ask the question and the chances are like good that you can again have the questions from this part. So it's good to prepare it. Okay. This is just the relation, the basic relations you need to go for. One topic, two topic, three and four topics. Okay. These are mainly from the nuclear physics part. Okay. If I'm going to talk about the particle physics, so classification of elementary particles. The classification of elementary particles, that's something you can't miss. You have to prepare it, the classification. Okay, because it will help you to solve the questions based on conservation laws, the questions based on find the unknown particle in that given reaction, the questions based on anything related to the to understand the octet and the like decuplate structures, the presence of particles. Like this way it will be helping you a lot. The classification of particles will help you to understand many things together, so you can't skip it. Done. Another thing, along with that you can even prepare the quark structure of the particles, and when you will be preparing the classification part, you also can work on the properties related to the particles. Then only you will be able to work on the rest of the things. Okay, the properties are very important. Done. Now if I'm gonna talk about the next thing from the elementary particle part, okay, mainly you need to know about the properties, like the leptons are the particles which are not gonna participate in the strong interaction. So that's one of the things you have to get familiar with, because if you will see any reaction and you need to answer it, that what kind of interaction is involved there, whether electromagnetic, whether weak, whether strong, whether any other, like anything they can ask you. So you have to know about the properties of the particles, and in these type of reactions what kind of things will be conserved, which parameters will be conserved, like that. So mainly if you are working on this section from the particle physics part, you will be covering each and everything which is most important, and mostly they ask the questions from that section, and I think it will be helping you a lot. Okay, so guys, this part is something you have to focus on it more and more, and you can't skip any of these topics. So I hope each and everything is clear to all of you guys, but in case if you will have any doubt anywhere, you can even try to mention it in the comments. I will try to answer those points, and mainly you can start your preparation for the nuclear physics in this way right now. Okay, because you are having less time, so you should start your preparation now. One more thing here I would like to tell you, like I have provided you the information about the Unacademy Plus subscription in the starting. So if you think you want to get the guidance by the top educators and you want to join the more regular live classes, the well structured and well planned courses sessions by the top educators, so in that case you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can proceed further in this way, and you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, so that if you will use and apply this referral code, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total subscription amount, and you will be able to just proceed further to take the subscription. Now what are the steps you have to take? Let me just tell you quickly. So first thing, download the Unacademy learning app or directly search Unacademy Plus on Google. After that, select your goal, for example CSIR, UGC NET. Even the sessions which we will have in this subscription will also be helping you to prepare for GATE exam and even the other similar exams. Okay, another thing, you can select whether you want to take the Plus subscription or the Iconic subscription. After selecting it, what you can do, you can proceed further and you can select the duration for how much time you want to take the subscription. You will get a place to write the referral code. There you can write the referral code which is Anjali A Live or Anjali Arora. Okay, no space in between, like this way you have to write it or this way you have to write it. Okay, and then apply the referral code. At the same time you will get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount, and now you will proceed further, and after taking the subscription you will be able to start attending the live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. So guys, I hope each and everything is clear to all of you, and thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for attending it till the end. Thank you.